A common thing which is seen very common in every healthy individual is, are you on the normal weight? Have you thought of it? My weight is keeping fit. There are two things. Many people will not face the problem because of overweight at an early stage. Like you're creating a foundation for some bigger diseases for the future. When your body is being made up of as a basic unit, the body is not same for everyone. Everyone has different body types. When we see yourself, we see at the root cause level. Our treatment of medicine is called functional medicine. It's a very different approach where we see which part of hormones is dominating in your body. So many people have some sort of called thyroid body type, adrenal body type, liver body type. So when we identify which is your predominant hormones and why that hormone is giving you this problem, weight is only a byproduct. There is many other problems hidden behind that. We are identifying it. So we are going at the root cause level. When we treat you and we give you a weight loss program, when you enroll it, within 3 months, you get your desired weight loss in a very simplistic way.